Hey guys, it's me Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do another DIY deep conditioner mask, and this time it's using all homemade ingredients. As you can see, all the ingredients back there. I did just clarify my hair with a bentonite clay mask, so it is kind of dry, so I'm really hoping that this works out. Okay, so instead of using like a rinse out conditioner or deep conditioner, I'm gonna actually just use some yogurt. And actually one of my subscribers actually left a comment saying that I should try Blackstrap Molasses, and then I read about it and a lot of people say it's like the best for deep conditioners. And so I'm going to add in about like 2 to 3 tablespoons into the yogurt. It's really thick, and I read a lot of great things about black molasses. It's very rich in vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. And apparently it could treat gray hair too. If you guys have gray hair and you guys want to get rid of it. It also promotes shine in the hair too. And then I'm going to just kind of add in a few oils. So this is avocado oil. And then a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil. So I like to put in thicker oils in my deep conditioner treatments because I usually can't like just use them alone usually. Wow, it's looking really good, guys. It smells really nice too. And then a lot of people were saying to add in a little bit of apple cider vinegar, so I'm gonna do that. Maybe about like 2 tablespoons. And I usually don't ever use apple cider vinegar because it does help close your cuticles, and I really don't need help with that with my low porosity hair. But since it's like in a deep conditioner, I'm gonna probably put heat with it to help absorb the conditioner. Then it won't be an issue because the heat's going to open up my cuticles. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. I might add some water to my hair. My hair is a little damp, but not that damp. I guess it kind of dried because I always apply deep conditioner to damp hair. Interesting. I don't really know what to think about it so far because I've never really applied anything like this in my hair before. It does feel soft, but a different type of soft, you know? It's not the best detangler as well. I thought the yogurt would really help with that, but it's okay. Next time I'll probably replace the yogurt with the rinse out conditioner. And that was my first initial idea, but then I kind of want to make this like a truly DIY, homemade kind of deep conditioner, but sometimes you just gotta add in a commercial product to it, you know? But honestly, you guys, making a habit of deep conditioning your hair every time you wash it, in the long run, you're gonna see some major benefits. I've actually read some of the comments where you guys have noticed my hair has been changing, my curls have been popping more, my hair looks more moisturized, and I've noticed that as well. I was looking at my older videos, my hair looks so dry. And I was never really that consistent with deep conditioning, even though I knew it was good for you. But I stopped because, you know, sometimes you don't see results right away, but it's kind of like one of those things where you'll see it like months down the road after consistently doing it. And so now it's just such a good habit of mine that every time I wash my hair, I have to make the time to deep condition. I haven't skipped one in like, seriously, maybe 6 months. I've been very consistent. Okay, so one side is done. As you can see, my hair is looking shiny. And it does feel soft, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, it feels very soft. So I'm gonna finish the other side. I'm gonna put a plastic cap over my head, sit underneath the hooded dryer for around like 45 minutes maybe, and then I'm gonna show you guys the results. Okay guys, so this is what my hair is looking like so far. I did leave this on for about 45 minutes underneath the hooded dryer. So as you can see, the curls are definitely really defined, and my hair just looks really shiny. So I just kind of want to show you guys what it looks like before I wash it out. The only thing I don't like about this treatment is that it's really sticky. So like, and it starts like kind of dripping everywhere, and then it just feels really uncomfortable. So I'm gonna wash it off, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and how my hair feels. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to record my results right after I did my wash and go because it was getting late and I had to go to work the next day. But this is what my hair looks like. I just got back home from work, and I just kind of like, I didn't even have time to even dry my wash and go too much. Usually there's a bit less frizz in my wash and go, but because like I had to throw it up in a pineapple late at night while it was really wet, I didn't really have time to dry it too much. I just want to show you guys my results. So I kind of wore it like in this ponytail, but I'll take it out, but it's still a little wet actually. It's actually extremely wet on the inside. I'm gonna definitely let it dry actually tonight. But so yeah, it's really wet, that's why it's super flat. But my curls are definitely defined. It definitely does have shine to it, and I do feel like the black molasses definitely helped. And I also just kind of want to share a little bit of my feedback as to what I thought about this deep conditioner. So with the black molasses, it definitely was very thick. It's like a really thick version of honey, I would say. So it definitely did feel like a humectant in my hair. The only thing is I actually added in way more black molasses than the 2 tablespoons that you guys saw me do, because I just kind of really wanted to see what it would feel like. And I kind of regret doing that, because after I washed out the deep conditioner, water alone wasn't enough to basically fully wash out that black molasses, but I just really felt like a really heavy coated feeling on my hair. I did enjoy the results, and I will definitely try this again. Next time I will use less black molasses for sure, and instead of using the yogurt, I'm probably going to use like a rinse out conditioner or a deep conditioner. But I'm really happy I tried it out. Like, I feel like my hair definitely has some extra shine to it, and that's from the black molasses as well. Overall, it was a really good experience. Let me know if you guys have tried black molasses, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.